In this video, I'm going to show you 3 coins which may outperform Ethereum even after the launch of the new ETF products. So obviously this week we had the approval of the ETFs, but very different to Bitcoin is that when Bitcoin was approved, they were available for trading the next day. The SEC have only just started talking to issuers of the ETFs, so potentially a few weeks before they launch, which means there is potential time for correction and positioning into alternative coins. Now, first of all, I'm going to start here looking at the Ethereum chart, and obviously we've had this massive strong move up, but as we await the launch of the products, there is a chance that we see more downside across the market, and still areas on Ethereum that could be good to accumulate prior to the launch of the new ETFs. And the first most obvious area for me would be something around the $3,300 level if we get it. Obviously it was massive resistance for pretty much a month throughout this range here, and we got the massive move up just before the ETF announcement. This is looking here on the daily chart. This is a level that really does need retesting. So keep an eye on 3,300, even down to sort of 3,200 daily demand before the launch of the ETFs. Now, before I show you the 3 coins which I've set alerts on and I'm interested in accumulating more of, I'd really appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I'll leave a link to our free Telegram group and our website where you can find more information about us. So let's get straight to the coins, and the first one I'm going to show you is OP. Looking here again at the daily chart, this is a coin that very often follows on from Ethereum and generally can offer, as all these 3 coins I'll show you, more volatile price action than Ethereum itself. This has seen a move up this week, but pretty much has bled out down to sort of the mid $2 range. But if we get any sort of strong sell-off in the market, I'm interested in accumulating back down closer at $2 over the next couple of weeks. Sort of these range lows here that we've seen act as support, daily support, all the way from December. So any strong sell-off across the market before the ETF launch, and keep your eyes on around about $2.10, $2.05, something like that would look a good area for accumulation. Second coin is LDO, and actually at the time of recording this has started to make a really strong move after sort of a breakout yesterday. So this is kind of outperforming all of the coins of the 3 that I'm going to show you, and Ethereum itself at the moment. But pretty clean break of this daily resistance here, just this sort of zone here around $2.20. Yesterday's candle obviously smashed through this, so looking for a reaction on a retest of this area. So keep an eye on around $2.20, $2.25. Also, this has a daily order block as well, very nice there, which has formed. So for me, very interesting what happens here, $2.25. And the third coin I'm going to show you in this video is ARB. This is a coin that sort of towards the start of the year was one of the strongest performers, but down significantly, like over 50% down since the start of the year. And this has a very nice daily demand candle just down here, which very interesting if we get that tested closer to $1, so like $1.05. Also it would be sort of these around these range lows again that we've seen sort of November, December. So a lot of these things are almost pretty much like bear market lows again, before we saw the breakout. So anything closer to $1 on ARB would be very interesting for accumulation for me. But this is close potentially to a breakout here. We can see it's been sitting around this resistance for a number of days throughout April and where we are now. So the alternative on this is keep an eye in the coming days. If this gets flipped, a strong close above, potentially look to enter the retest to around $1.20 to trade up towards the resistance here, likely around $1.40. So keep an eye on a range, something like that on ARB. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comments what your favorite ARB beta plays are, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.